It's been a year since I recorded or uploaded my last YouTube recipe video. I've been shooting like shorts and Instagram videos, TikTok videos, but I am so glad to be back here, and thank you to everybody who supported my videos. You guys keep me going. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to make some creamy mushroom pasta but without the cream. If you're living in Nigeria right now, you know how expensive things are. Cream is outrageous. So today I'm going to show you how to get all your creamy pasta fixings without having to break the bank. First, we're going to heat up some olive oil, and we're also going to saute some mushrooms. If you do not want to use mushrooms, you can use chicken, you can use some prawns, but either way, this recipe works for whatever you want to do. And once your mushroom is brown and tender, you just take it out of the pot, and we're going to use the same pot, and then add some more olive oil, and we're gonna saute some garlic, cook that down to it's translucent and the whole place smells really good. Next thing you're going to do is add a heaped tablespoon of flour. I do not have any measurements, or I didn't use any measurements while I was cooking, so I'll do an approximation in the description box below so you kind of have like an idea. Do not burn this part, allow it to cook on low heat. Then you're gonna add some full fat milk. When you add the milk to the pot at this time, the flour is going to thicken the milk and thicken the sauce to give it the consistency as if you use some good cream and some cheese to make your sauce. We're going to season our sauce with some salt and some black pepper, and while that is about to thicken up, I can see it's getting real thick fast, I added my already cooked pasta. I'm using this shape. Feel free to use whatever pasta shape you want, and I'm going to add a little bit of water to loosen up the sauce so that it's not too clumped up, is silky and has a better texture. And while I'm just stirring that up to break down the flour, you can see that the sauce is coming together. It's actually looking really good. It has a really nice color. I'm going to add back my cooked mushrooms at this point because I want that mushroom taste, and I'm just going to keep stirring that up while the sauce thickens because of the starch in the pasta and also because of the flour that we have added. And at this point, I just add some more cheese. I really do love to use a lot of cheese in my sauces. That's why I don't go crazy with my salt. And when I mix that up, you can see the color, you can see how beautiful that looks. You can see the mushrooms, I didn't overcook them, so they still held their form. It's just a really beautiful dish. And I'm just allowing the sauce to thicken a little bit more, and the next thing I'm gonna do is add some fresh herbs. I'm using some parsley, just a little bit because I don't want to take away from the beautiful white sauce, and I'm just splitting it up. I am going to serve it with some more fresh parsley, some more cheese, and tell me what you think about this recipe. If you liked it, if you have any questions, ask me in the comment below, and if you haven't liked, please like and subscribe. I'm so happy to be back here, and I'm looking forward to sharing more recipes with you. So have an amazing day. I love you guys.